Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Arlo Pro 5S cameras for local recording, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up your Arlo Pro 5S cameras for local recording, start by unpacking the camera and accessories. Ensure you have the Arlo base station connected to your router using an Ethernet cable. Power on the base station and wait for the LED lights to indicate that it's connected to the internet. Download the Arlo app on your smartphone or tablet from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Arlo app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your base station to the app. Once the base station is connected, select Add Device to start the setup process for your Arlo Pro 5S camera. Follow the prompts to power on the camera and press the sync button on the base station. Ensure the camera is positioned within range of the base station for optimal connectivity. Once the camera is synced, you will see a confirmation in the app. Next, navigate to the camera settings in the app and select Local Storage. Insert a USB drive into the USB port on your base station to enable local recording. Make sure the USB drive is formatted correctly for use with the Arlo system. Check the app for any prompts indicating that local storage has been recognized. In the local storage settings, enable the option for continuous recording or motion-triggered recording based on your preference. Adjust the recording settings according to your needs, such as video quality and duration. Test the camera to ensure it is recording as expected. To view your recorded footage, go to the Library section of the app. Select the date and time to access specific recordings stored on the USB drive. Make sure to regularly check the available space on the USB drive to prevent overwriting important footage. For optimal performance, periodically clear or backup recorded files from your USB drive. Your Arlo Pro 5S cameras are now set up for local recording. Enjoy enhanced security with your new camera system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.